Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to reset eToro password. So we have two methods. Both of them are uh, really easy to do and really simple. So let's get straight into it and start. We will start with the method number one, which is you forget your password maybe, and now let's say you cannot log in here into your account. So what you need to do, you will see here forgot password. So you will click on that, and now you will put here your email address and submit that email to the eToro. And now what you will need to do is in your email box you will get unique reset link, and this link will be available just for 24 hours and can only be used once. So in there you will set yourself a new password, and yeah, you will confirm it and then finish it, and you need to remember this new password. Alright, so this is if you forgot. Now also you can change your password while logged in, so this is method number two. So what we need to do here is go to the settings, gear icon, and now you will need to navigate to your account here. And now here you will see under the credentials, you will see here yourself a password, and you will hit here the button change. And now you will type in current password, and then you will also type in the new password and to confirm new password and then submit. And with that you will change yourself a password. And this is pretty much it, how you can reset eToro password. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.